Unraveling the mystery, to rack one's brains. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's widely used in the English language, to rack one's brains. Whether you're an English language learner or just looking to polish your language skills, understanding these kinds of expressions can really elevate your fluency. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. The phrase, to rack one's brains, is a vivid idiom that refers to the act of thinking very hard or concentrating intensely to remember something or come up with a solution. Imagine your brain as a puzzle that you're trying to solve by shifting and sorting through your thoughts and memories. It's not just casual thinking. It's about pushing your mental capacity to its limits in search of an answer or an idea. The origins of to rack one's brains are quite interesting. The term rack, in this context, refers to a medieval torture device used to stretch victims, metaphorically suggesting the intense strain or effort applied to one's mind when trying to recall or solve something. This expression paints a vivid picture of someone exerting themselves mentally to the utmost degree. Now, let's see how we can incorporate to rack one's brains into our everyday conversations or writing. 1. After forgetting where she left her keys, Emily spent the whole morning racking her brains to remember where they might be. 2. The puzzle was so challenging that I had to rack my brains for hours before I finally solved it. 3. In preparation for the exam, the students racked their brains to recall all the information they had studied. Understanding synonyms or similar expressions can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few: ponder, mull over, think hard, concentrate on remembering. Each of these can be used in contexts similar to rack one's brains, though they may carry slightly different nuances. That's all for today's video on to rack one's brains. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion and adds a new phrase to your English repertoire. Remember, language learning is all about curiosity and persistence, so keep exploring and challenging yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video, and keep racking those brains.